one bedroom. 14.99. And 2 rooms.
And then the 2 bedrooms start at $17.99.
17.99.
Yeah.
So we'll go home and work on that.
Okay, the model. Yeah, we'll check that out. A lot of eating areas. We also have our package center right here. Amazon, FedEx, UPS will all deliver there for you. And there's no registration fee for that. It's always a little nice bonus.
That's crazy.
On the other side, we have a foosball table, our arcade station right around the corner. We also have a coffee bar, our water cooling station, and then our pool that's open.
The pool too is beautiful.
10. Thank you.
Open it every day?
Every day.
Oh, wow.
Yep, every day year round. It closes at 10 p.m.
Oh, okay.
And then right through here, we have our fitness center.
How deep is the pool?
Like deep? How deep is it?
Yes.
I think it only goes up to 4 feet.
Okay, this is the gym.
So this here is the fitness center. It is also open 24/7. If they're new to working out, we've got some suggested workouts on the balls and the mats. We also have our TV that's set up, so if you want to watch something, listen to music while you're working out, we've got that opportunity. What do we think? Office. And then from here we have our business center.
Oh, wow.
So if y'all work from home or have any projects that you like to work on, this is a nice quiet space to be in.
Yeah, it smells good.
We have 3 desktops here, the CD, and a cute school. And then 2 private offices as well.
I thought it was a massage room for a second.
It's quiet enough, right?
Yeah.
And these colors are...
It's just speaking to you, huh? I love it. I love it. Well, let's go check out the model. And then we'll see how much more you love the property. And I'll just give you an idea as far as like the bedroom size, the tub size, and how the apartments kind of work for you.
Okay.
Anything that's excessive for you, we do have a community attendant that lives on site and they can adjust those for you in real time.
Oh, wow. This is the 1 bedroom.
Yes.
It's little dining right here. Living room. Space. Okay. And kitchen. Oh, Lord. This... Ooh. Yeah, even though the living room is a little bit... It's tinier, right? Than ours.
What are we thinking?
Okay, the model is... Yeah, it's a new model kind of
So all
kitchen.
of the comes with the granite countertop.
Oh, they have space for washing machine.
There's already included.
Oh, okay.
Can I get y'all something to drink or cash?
Oh. Oh, this is the kind of fridge it has. Oh.
Yes.
Oh, Lord.
No, you want the water.
Water, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a sparkling water? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it for the fancy.
I think it's good.
For the fancy.
And the stove.
For relieving bloat. Yep, they're all electric.
Yeah.
Yes.
I just don't like this thing because that's the one I have at home. It gets dirty so easily. Yeah, I
I know
don't
they
like it.
also sell those little can covers too that you can put under there to help keep it cleaner.
Oh, okay.
Both the bathroom and the bedroom, they're separate in this floor plan. This is a king size bed.
King size bed.
Reference.
Guys. Yeah, the bedroom is beautiful.
Closet big.
Let me see. Walk-in closet.
Big walk-in closet.
Oh, wow.
Could be spaces.
It's worth it though. Yeah, it's beautiful. So how about the pet issue?
The husky is not an issue.
Oh.
I'm trying to think of what
Let me
the
see the
word
bath.
is.
Let me see the
Restricted
bathroom.
breed.
Pit bulls and stuff
Yeah,
like
pit
that.
bulls,
And the
Saffreds.
bathroom is big too. The space. Oh,
You can put a bed in here.
yeah.
Air mattress. And come on, hey, sleep in the bathroom.
Right.
The bathroom is big.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Nigga, move. Move.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Woo. This house is beautiful for real.
This whole section here clean.
Like the way they design the house, everything is clean. But the amount is crazy though. It's crazy. But we've checked, we've looked at the 1 bedroom, so we're going to see the 2 bedroom because the former place we stay, I'm calling it former as if we've moved already. Where we're staying is two bedrooms, so we're thinking of buying, either we'll buy a place or, but it's not easy. Our lease is already up, so we need to do something fast. So, like, it's not like all bills. We'll pay everything separately. Okay.
Yeah. And then as far as your husky, you'd be looking at a $350 non-refundable pet fee.
For the dog? $350.
Just the fee.
Just the fee.
Up front.
We're gonna give it to your dad. Give him to your dad, man. Dang.
Then it's a $200 deposit and then $25 a month for pet rent.
Yeah, $25
What?
a month.
$25 a month for paying? Okay.
That ain't bad. Plus 94.
Oh, wow.
He just had a birthday. We went out to eat.
Okay.
With the Texas.
Is this?
That's the master bedroom.
This is the master's? Okay. Okay, here the living room is bigger. Yeah.
Spacious living room.
Yeah, the,
Washer and dryer in here.
okay. Washer and dryer. The same spot.
That's our full-size pantry. And the Jack and Jill
Okay.
door.
Okay, it has a walk-in closet too.
And they're gonna be right here.
Well, the other closet is kind of bigger.
The other closet will be bigger.
And that bathroom too is bigger. What's this one?
Well,
What's
this is because this is the second bedroom.
Oh, I was
That's
looking
the-
from here. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah.
So this would be the second bedroom. If you
That-
want to see the other closet,
The first place, the bathroom, everything is big. Like the wardrobe. Yeah.
yeah. So let's go check out the other room then.
Yeah, the kitchen too is big.
It's nice and big
Yeah.
and open, and all the windows bring in the natural light.
Yeah. Yeah, the kitchen is big. My love, you seen it?
Yeah. You get nasty in there.
Okay. The bathroom. Oh, okay.
Big
A
garden
bathtub
tub.
right here.
Yeah, the guests.
And still.
Yeah, the guests got the stand up.
Oh, okay. Walk-in bedroom. What year did they build this house? Because it's kind of modern.
Yeah. What do we think of this one?
Ain't got a jacuzzi tub. Ooh, bad bones. And look, you ain't gotta worry about
You have to be patient. Oh, sorry. So this is
This is also the 2 bedroom.
2 bedrooms.
So you have your outdoor kitchen, still a lot of cabinet space. If y'all like to cook,
Let me see the storage, my love. Okay.
it's a big
Yeah, it
pantry.
has
It
a-
goes further back as well.
Oh, yeah. Storage is big.
Yeah. And
Nah,
then your
first
cook
you-
closet. You could fit 2 people in there. If y'all play hide and seek in here.
about
My love, open this one. Let me see. What's in this one?
washing jar. No, it's a closet.
The
Like a
coat closet.
Yeah.
Okay.
right here is your second bedroom.
First
Oh, that
bedroom.
one big.
Yeah.
It is a little bit bigger than the other one.
I like this carpet too. I like this. Yeah. The color. Yeah.
And then you have your washer and dryer in here.
The washer and dryer is just opposite. Okay, my love, come and see this. The way this washer and dryer are together.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like
This how it was at my other apartment.
Yeah. In the other floor plan, they're across, and so this one is side by side. And then you have your second bathroom through here.
Ain't gotta worry about trying to fix the
Let me
door,
see.
trying to slide the mud in.
Open the, what's this one?
It's bathroom.
Turn the light.
Turn on the lights.
Okay. Definitely, this is not the master's, right?
No, this is the second bedroom.
Yeah, it has a Walk-in bedroom.
Large walk-in
Walk-in closet. Yeah.
And then you also have a linen closet right here. So let me step out so you can get that.
All right. Oh, okay. This way where you can pack your
Towels
Yeah.
and stuff.
This one has a balcony.
The other one has
All the homes, there's all the like everywhere.
everyone has a balcony.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, this
I
is.
noticed like the ones on the ground, it has like a turf.
Some of them do. It just depends on the unit that you get. And those would be the ones with the fenced-in yard, and those would typically cost a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
So it's mostly like for pets and stuff like that.
The master's bedroom.
Turn this light view.
Okay. Okay. It's also big. Yeah.
Spacious
Yeah,
bathroom,
spacious.
yes.
Yeah, it's
Garden
spacious.
tub.
That's the. You ready for this? Shoes everywhere.
Yeah, the walk-in closet too. Oh, okay.
Yeah. You got your side, my side.
She got her closet, and you have yours on the other side.
Your side and my side.
The energy that he got.
The garage is 150? Okay.
And that'll be in the brochure that I email you to. That way you're not having to remember a bunch of numbers that I'm throwing at you.
Oh, so another question. Like maintenance. So we gotta go through the portal for the maintenance.
Yes. There's an online portal that you'll have, and then